GIS proudly presents the following video introduction of our newest risk mitigation partner, Virtual Badge.
Virtual Badge is the only way to successfully manage access of individuals to any environment. Virtual Badge is a patented mobile app designed to grant access and re-entry of individuals to a specific area. By managing access with Virtual Badge on your existing smartphone, you no longer need to have bulky badging systems, printers, and other various costly equipment typically required to successfully manage access to secure and sensitive areas. Managing access by using Virtual Badge is simple. Your Virtual Badge administrators and authorized personnel can issue badges to anyone, in any location, and at any time. Individuals you have distributed badges to simply open the Virtual Badge app from their smartphone and activate the badge. Virtual Badge streamlines your program beyond any other badging system's capabilities. Now individuals that you've granted access to will have their badge in hand before they even arrive at the desired location. The authorized individual will arrive at your access point and display their Virtual Badge to your access point personnel. Your personnel opens their Virtual Badge app, scans the unique badge ID code with their phone, and instantly gets confirmation and relevant details of the individual's badge. And they are granted access to the area they have been approved for. There are an unlimited number of uses and advantages that come with a Virtual Badge Access Management program. It eliminates paper dependency. It is encrypted, safe, and secure. It self-destructs the badge after expiration and allows you to easily provide different levels of access and change colors on a daily basis. You can also instantly communicate with badge holders via messages. Another exciting advancement with the Virtual Badge app is our partnership with General Information Services, or GIS, one of the largest background screening organizations in the world. This partnership will allow Virtual Badge clients the ability to instantly background check badge holders, with their authorization, of course, through sex offender registries, national security and terrorist watch lists, and the nation's largest proprietary criminal records database. GIS can also partner with your organization to provide more extensive background checks and identity validations on badged individuals prior to your activation of their badge. An additional and valuable differentiator of the Virtual Badge app is that you'll always know where your badge holders are at all times. Your badges are all tracked by GPS, which allows you to quickly see exactly where your badge holders are at. Only Virtual Badge provides the unique ability to quickly change your access point. Your access points can be as mobile as your smartphone. Virtual Badge does not have boundary limitations. You can manage access from multiple locations simultaneously. When using a traditional badging and access management system, there are many situations that can cause major roadblocks, such as not having any electricity available or having to suddenly move to another entrance. Those common roadblocks are all non-issues with Virtual Badge. Virtual Badge is the most dependable access management program available. Even in the most difficult areas to manage access, like managing access to a disaster area, Virtual Badge keeps running. Virtual Badge doesn't need electrical outlets, network cords, or walls. Even when your badged individuals are in areas without cell phone coverage, their locations and movement will still be accessible. The unique mobility of Virtual Badge opens up the doors to a variety of uses beyond managing access to areas. It also serves as a way to track individuals for a variety of business purposes. Badges are all time and date stamped and mapped. Organizations that need to validate that their vendors or employees were on location can simply issue a Virtual Badge and validate that they were where they were supposed to be, that they arrived at the right time, and that they left the location at the right time. Do you have vendors charging you by the hour for work they are doing at different locations? Require them to activate Virtual Badges so their time there can be validated and they can submit assessment photos and forms to you straight from the field. You decide when an individual's badge will self-destruct. As long as a virtual badge hasn't self-destructed, you'll be able to track all of their movement and activity, which can provide valuable analytics and risk management data for your organization. As with most products and services that involve tracking technology, privacy is always a top concern. Virtual Badge does not access other areas in your phone. Administrators will only see data recorded in the Virtual Badge app. Additionally, when a badge is deactivated, the Virtual Badge app and administrators absolutely will not be able to continue to track a badge holder's movements. Even if a badge needs to be active for multiple days, the badge can be programmed to deactivate during certain hours of the day to protect the privacy of your badge holders. The creation of the Virtual Badge app is the greatest advancement in the history of physical access control management. Once you know Virtual Badge exists, the shortcomings of traditional access management programs are too many and too obvious to ignore. Reach out to a Virtual Badge representative to see how it can be put to work for your organization.